Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Rumble League. Tonight's epic main event is a championship match between the champion, Deadpool, and the challenger, the Wolverine. Referee Joey Morella officiating. Want a clean competition? Everyone put up your weapons. Let's have a clean, good match. Oh my goodness!
Hi everyone. It's been a while since I did my last video. It's been a while since I've been by my shop. Went today and I picked up some comics. So this is going to be some comics from the last couple of weeks and maybe some older comics too that I haven't shown you yet. So I have issue 1 of Buck, The Adventures of Forager. Picked this up because it's a Jack Kirby character and I'm a big Jack Kirby fan. Also love Michael Allred and love the use of colors, the red and yellows. So I'm picking up this miniseries, issue 2, the great white cover. Sons of the Devil, issue 11, issue 12, and issue 13. I believe this is the last one, or was it issue 14? I think this is the last one. No, issue 14 is the last issue. So, a really great series. Love the art style, love the colors. Always love my pinks and purples in comics. So then we have Commandy, the Commandy Challenge, issue 3 of 12, I believe. Yes. I also have some variant covers coming in the mail. So for this mini series, issue 4, because my comic shop always has the regular cover, so I order my variants online a lot. So issue 5, issue 6, and then we have American Gods by Neil Gaiman, based on his novel, and there's also a TV series right now. Haven't watched it yet. I plan on doing it, so I picked it up for the covers alone, and if the story is any good, that's a plus. But I'm a big fan of Glenn Fabry. See it on the bottom? Maybe can make it out. It's he's the artist who primarily did the covers for Preacher, one of my all-time favorite comic series. So whenever I see Glenn Fabry's artwork, I just have to pick it up. Issue 2, issue 4, 3, I'm sorry, issue 3, issue 4, which I picked up today. Love this cover. Then we have book 8 of Dark Knight 3 Master Race. I also collect the hardcovers. And issue 9, the last issue, so I'm finally able to read the whole mini-series. I waited till I had all the issues to start reading it, so looking forward to that. Batman and the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Avengers, issue 5 of 6, I believe. Then this is issue 6, the last issue, if I'm not mistaken. Then we have an issue of Heavy Metal. It's 286 with Grant Morrison on the cover. He's the editor-in-chief right now, so I started picking up Heavy Metal magazines from when he became the editor-in-chief. Then we have this I picked up a while ago, book 1 of After Death with Jeff Lemire and Scott Snyder, but I also have book 2 and 3, so that's complete now. Then we have a new issue number 1, Jimmy's Bastards by Garth. Like I just said, I'm a huge Preacher fan, big Garth fan, so whenever he has a new issue, number 1, I always try it out, so that's that. The next 3 covers, or the next 3 comics I picked up for their covers, Jonah Hex and Yosemite Sam. DC has all these Looney Tunes crossovers right now, so I picked this up for the Texera cover art, and he does the interiors too. See if I can get something interesting. But I really like this cover, so big fan of his Space Punisher, one of my all-time favorite miniseries. Then I picked up the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers issue 16. I dropped this title a while ago. I decided to trade with it, but I'm a huge fan of Green Ranger, so I just had to pick up this cover. Then we have, I believe this is a one-shot Metallica comic. Went by my shop today, was wearing this t-shirt, and I just had to pick up a Metallica comic. Why not? I've been reading some novels as of late, more than comics. I started reading Stephen King, finished Carrie, loved it. Picked up some more of his work. I'm currently reading Salem's Lot, really enjoying it. I picked up this was his first collection of novellas, short stories. So Night Shift, and we have The Shining and The Stand, which is a thick book. Really looking forward to this one. I also picked up Neil Gaiman's American Gods, especially for the cover. There were a lot of more modern covers, but I really like this cover, more of an 80s novel cover. I'm also reading A Game of Thrones, about the illustrated edition, the UK version. I prefer this one over the American edition, which was all gold and not as classy as the UK version. It's filled with illustrations, black and white, and also some are in color. I really like the colored map in the front and in the back. Then some omnibuses I'm reading or started reading and I haven't finished yet. Commandy Volume 2, nearly finished, so I have to get back on that. Then I started reading this a while back, Annihilation Conquest. I'm almost through with this one too, so I need to finish that one too. And this is the Flash Omnibus by Jeff Johns. It's been a long time since I last picked this one up, and I think I have to flip through it a bit before I start reading it again, because it's been so long. So that's some of the art styles. Then lastly, I have a bunch of loot crates that I haven't opened yet, so I believe there are 4. So let's see what I got. A Jessica Jones figure. Sorry for the glare. Then we have a Batman coffee mug. It says it changes color, so I think that this is one of those mugs that gets that changes color when you put some hot coffee or tea in it. So Gotham City. Then we have a shirt. Stranger Things shirt, which I really love. Looks great. And then we have a pin. And some pencils. X-Files pencil set. And sharpener. So that was box 1. Box 2. A Predator ball opener. Looks great. Another pin. I believe this is an Overwatch shirt. Haven't played the game yet. And a warning sign of Jurassic World. And a badass looking Wolverine diecast figure. I have Batman from Batman vs Superman and Wonder Woman in this series, so that will go good along with those. And then the next box, some color pencils and sharpener. Oh, because it contains a Star Wars coloring book for adults. Coloring your own Death Star. And Solo. Then we have the shirt, which is awesome. The Goonies never die. Never say die. Love that movie as a kid, still love it. Then we have an Avatar pin. Last Airbender. And a great looking figure of, oh, the glare is terrible, Rocket Raccoon and Groot sitting on his head. And the last box, an awesome Transformers t-shirt with Optimus Prime transforming. A green Hulk bowl. This will get filled with some snacks later tonight, some M&Ms or something. Then we have 40 removable posters, New 52, Batman and Robin, which I still need to read. Comes highly recommended by a lot of my friends. Yeah, so just some New 52 covers, this postcard format, and then badass looking Spider-Man figure hanging down from a lamppost. I really like these figures in the LootCrates. Probably my favorite things in these boxes. And then we have, I believe this is a Dr. Jekyll Mr. Hyde pin. That was everything I have. Once my comics come in the mail, I'll definitely make another video. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.